Every time you tap a link, send a message, or stream a video, something amazing happens. In a fraction of a second, your device talks to another device thousands of kilometers away and gets an answer back. But how does this invisible web of connections actually work? Today, we're breaking down how the internet really works in the simplest way possible. Right now, over 5 billion people are connected. The internet moves trillions of bytes every single second, and yet most of it still travels through wires under the ocean. Wait, wires? Under the ocean? Yup, let's start from the beginning. Part 1. The basics, what the internet actually is. The internet isn't a place, it's a massive network. Billions of devices connected by physical cables, wireless signals, and satellites. Think of it like roads and highways for information. Your phone, laptop, or smart TV is like a car, and the websites you visit are like destinations. The roads are made up of fiber optic cables, copper wires, Wi-Fi, and 4G, 5G connections. Part 2. How data travels, packets and routing. When you send a photo to a friend, your device doesn't send the whole picture in one go. Instead, it breaks it into tiny pieces called data packets. These packets take different routes across the network, jumping from router to router, like a relay race. At the other end, your friend's device puts all the packets back together, like pieces of a puzzle. Part 3. Physical infrastructure, the ocean cables. Here's the surprising part. Around 99% of international data doesn't travel through satellites. It moves through undersea fiber optic cables. These are ultra-thin glass tubes that carry light signals at almost the speed of light. They connect continents and can handle terabits of data every second. There are over 1.4 million kilometers of these cables under our oceans right now. Part 4. How your device connects ISP and DNS. At home, you connect through an ISP, an internet service provider. They link you to the global network. But when you type youtube.com in your browser, your device doesn't understand names. It understands numbers called IP addresses. That's where DNS, domain name system, comes in. It's like the phone book of the internet, turning website names into IP addresses so your device knows where to go. Part 5. Servers. Every website lives on a server, a special computer that stores files, videos, and data. When you click on a link, you're basically asking a server somewhere in the world to send information back to you. Big companies like Google and Amazon run giant data centers with millions of servers to keep the internet running 24/7. Part 6. Wireless internet, Wi-Fi, and mobile data. If the internet is mostly cables, how do we use it wirelessly? Wi-Fi connects your device to your router without cables, but the router is still plugged into the wired network. Mobile data works by sending your packets to cell towers, which then connect to the wired backbone of the internet. Even wireless starts and ends with wire. Part 7. Speed, latency, and why the internet feels instant. The reason the internet feels instant is because light and fiber cables moves at about 200,000 kilometers per second. But there's still something called latency, the time it takes for your request to reach a server and come back. That's why a video call to someone far away might have a slight delay. Part 8. The future of the internet. The internet is evolving. Satellites like Starlink are bringing high-speed internet to remote areas. 5G is making mobile connections faster than ever. In the future, speeds could be so high that real-time holograms, instant VR worlds, and AI-powered everything will be normal. The internet is the most powerful tool humans have ever built. A network of networks that connects the entire world. Next time you send a message, remember, it's traveling thousands of kilometers through cables under oceans, routers, servers, and satellites, all in the blink of an eye. Call to action. If you learned something new, hit that new button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the next thing you want me to explain?